Have you ever wanted to take footage of an attractive ceiling or something interesting above you on a Pocket 3? Of course, the most obvious way is to simply point the camera up at the subject and hit record. This, of course, can result in neck ache at the same time. The easiest way by far is to use the joystick built into the Pocket 3. Push the joystick upwards so that the gimbal head faces up as far as it can go, and then angle the Pocket 3 until you have a good view of the ceiling you want to film. Then hit record and enjoy filming much more comfortably. The added benefit allows filming a large building such as a cathedral in the comfort from a seated position. The joystick on the Pocket 3 is perhaps the most underused feature, but can be used to get some very interesting and unusual shots of architecture. Combine it with a push forward walk to get a unique viewpoint for your footage. Enjoy this quick tip on Pocket 3 and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.